so good. What the hell is this? Who the hell put this on a freaking? Should I put this? Put this? This? No, definitely not this. Yeah, I still put this. Some bullshit, dude. Nope. What the fuck? Bruh. Oh, green laser. Nice. What the hell? What difference does it make? The green laser and the regular laser? What difference does it make? I mean, one's red, one's green. Like, should I even put a laser? What if I don't put a laser? It doesn't make much of a difference, does it? So, I'll get a ARS. Oh, nice. Oh shit. Should I get a compensator instead? Because overall, compensator looks better. But flash hider? No, fuck that. Not flash hider. Okay, let me try one round with the ARS, and another round with the compensator. Is that how you say it? Compensator? Oh my god, guys. I want to know what the shit are y'all doing. Sit the fuck in. Alright. Hola. Welcome. Welcome. Fuck's sake. Alright. We're like 20 feet away from each other. You try to like knife me. Like, what the shit? How bad do you think I am? Oh god, that guy's... That was dumb as fuck. Like, we're 20 feet away. That guy tried to... Well, that's what I get for talking shit. Alright, moving on. Oh, got him! I got him, but my potato aim though. Wow, chill. Why you keep shooting me? I just wanna live. Oh, I got him! Sit the fuck down, guest. I saw that shit. Oh shit, did I just get a double clad? Oh, I'm going in with a knife. What the fuck? Surprise, bitch! Like, run. Oh my god, I'm about to do the same shit that the other guy did. Oh, I saw some guy. What's up, bitch? Fuck. Alright, maybe running in with a knife was a bad idea. Who knows? Oh. Look at that shit. What the f... Wow. What the hell? How did this guy... What? What? Oh, because I haven't captured... Oh! Because I haven't captured the hill yet. Not a hill, I mean the fuck? How do you kill me while I'm behind those shits? What the hell is going on right now? Oh my god. Dude, what the shit is this? Why would you snipe in this map? Like and somehow it's working. Like, what the fuck? Oh my god. Oh, nice. I didn't lose. Why are you behind him for, you dipshit? Why are you just knifing? Oh, I thought it was alive. Okay, nice. Nice. Now I should be first. Oh my god, dude. Sit down. Oh shit. Huh? What the fuck was that? Oh shit. What the? Where are you shooting me from? Fucking hate all these boxes. You can't tell for shit. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh, I saw that shit. He tried to switch out his gun. Don't worry, bro. I feel you. I had the same problem. Oh. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, guys. Suicide time. Where's my grenade?
Hey,
what the f-
happened?
Alright. Suicide time. Can't find my grenade. Oh, I killed someone! What the hell? Oh my god, that was crazy! Dude! Was that a glitch? Yo, I literally just threw a grenade like randomly down there and I killed someone. Yo! Dude, I'm gonna get kicked for like saying that I'm hacking, dude. But don't worry, you guys saw that shit. Like, I got it live. Oh sh. Fuck are you guys shooting me for? I see you. Yeah, I fucking got you, dude. Oh. Come on, guys. Like, shit, now I have to go down. Oh shit, don't lose. Okay, we're good. Okay, we're now losing. So exactly. Fucking M60, man. Like, I told you, I had that feeling. Look, now we're done. Now we're done. Like this. Oh my god. Falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. I'm falling, but I can't get up. What the fuck? This man just appears out of nowhere. Like, this is gay. Oh. This motherfucker again! What the? Where do you see? Where's that bitch at? Yo, I swear. Dude, get rid of the... There. Oh, hi. I was gonna kill you. Fulfilled people are just an urban legend. That's deep, man. Oh shit, whoops. Caps. Alright, oh shit, I forgot to try to compensate. I have that. Let me just try this one. I'm not sure if I can tell the difference. Oh, by the way, I got the A2, P5. Oh, I bought the Honey Badger like a bitch. So Let me just. I don't even know why I have the honey badger as my support. Sniper. I was choosing between the BFG or the or the honey badger, but I got retarded and chose the honey badger. Then realized BFG is much better because I picked one up and I used it. I was like, holy shit, this gun is like the gun range.